Hi everyone, it's House Fairy again. I'm making some fencing out of some salvaged decking boards this time. I was given these decking boards free of charge from someone I found on Facebook Marketplace. They were in really good condition and didn't need a lot doing to them to make them ready for painting, but they were a little bit short. I'll come to that in a minute. I'd already made one fence panel using salvage decking boards from my own decking at the bottom of the garden, and so I was able to cut that down to the exact length that I needed. I wanted to make 2 more fence panels to replace those really ugly featherboard panels. I also had some scraps that the man gave me, and I will at one point in the future make some planters out of those. So they were too short by about 3 centimetres, and also they weren't wide enough to fill the slot in the concrete fence posts. So I needed a solution to lengthen them and to make them wider as well. So I came up with this idea. This is pipe lagging, foam pipe lagging. I know it's not ideal, maybe not a long-term solution, but it enabled me to get these boards up, turn them into a fence panel. At some point I can always change them for rubber ones if they don't last. I know that I won't be able to put any solvent-based paint or varnish onto them, and I've told the neighbours that as well. My little supervisors. That's Pickle and that's Diddy. So I set about painting some of the boards. You can get a glimpse of some of the other projects that I've been working on. And first of all, you've got to make sure that the gravel board is level, and you can do that by putting stones underneath it to level it off. So I started off slotting the lagging into the grooves, and then slotting the decking boards into the lagging. I attached baton, three sticks of baton. Oh no, I think this one only had 2 sticks to the backs on the neighbour's side, and drilled and screwed as I went up. That was my daughter, and that just helps to keep the decking boards all in line with each other. Apparently I was doing a good job, Pickle said. It was actually really easy, and it really did the trick. They're really solid, they don't rattle. Most fence panels do rattle about a bit, but they don't. So I'm happy with how it turned out. It was a good solution. And I got started on painting the fence panels. I'd had enough of that colour, got too much of that colour in my garden, so I decided I also painted over that one as well. Johnston's garden paint is actually really good coverage. I've used it quite a lot. That's just one coat. I might have to wait until after the winter to do a second coat, but I really like it. That's a greenhouse I'm building from salvaged doors. That's another video. I haven't finished it yet, so that might be a while. I've grown lots of cherry tomatoes this year for I think the 3rd year running. Very easy to grow. Highly recommended. Little rockery that I've made from some free slate that somebody gave me. I painted the lagging, thought it might help to make it last longer and blend in. I might eventually paint the concrete posts as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked the idea. Bye!